In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Shopify store with Google Shopping feed. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the Google Shopping app to your Shopify store so you can start showcasing your products to shoppers across Google. This is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, open the Shopify website and head to your Shopify admin. If you're managing multiple stores, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. The Google Shopping feed is all about syncing your product catalog so it can appear on Google surfaces like Search and the Shopping tab, which can significantly increase your visibility. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Apps. This takes you to your Apps dashboard, where you can manage what's already installed and add new tools. If you don't see the page right away, give it a second to load. Shopify sometimes needs a moment to fetch your store's app list. In the Apps area, enter Google Shopping in the search field. This will open results from the Shopify App Store. You're looking for the official app that helps manage your product feed and connects your catalog to Google. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct app by reading the description and checking that it's the one designed for Google surfaces. Next, click Install. You may be prompted to approve permissions and confirm installation. This is normal. Apps need access to certain parts of your store to sync products correctly. Review the requested permissions so you know what the app will do. If there's a pricing note or plan information, read it carefully so there are no surprises down the line. After the app is installed, feel free to explore the app. Start by getting familiar with the main dashboard and the areas that reference your product feed and status. You'll typically see information about which products are ready, any items that need attention, and helpful guidance on eligibility. Take a moment to browse the settings and support resources so you know where to find help if you need it later. While you explore, keep an eye out for notes on product data quality. Clear titles, accurate descriptions, good images, and available inventory tend to improve performance once your feed is active. That's it for adding the Google Shopping feed to your Shopify store. You've opened Shopify, gone into Apps, searched GA, searched for Google Shopping, clicked Install, and explored the app so you're comfortable with where everything lives. Thanks for watching, and great job taking a solid step toward expanding your store's reach on Google.